the project Resurrection. I am legend Muhammad Zishan Arshad from Pakistan. This is a message for investors. If you want the dead children of Gaza to come back to life by the command of Allah, you can come with me. Contact me. Invest your money and I will help the parents of these children to get their dead children back to life and they will come back to life. The reviving of dead is not impossible by Allah. Surely Allah is certainly able to revive the dead. But you will have to do what I have to say. The first thing first, this is the project of resurrection with Allah. And I need investors who will invest their money for reviving these dead children. That's it. When you will invest your money, then I will spend that money. And then, by the will of Allah, the dead children will come back to life. How many children? I will not declare it because that will be decided by Allah. But dead children will come back to life, that is surely possible. And it will happen by Allah. Right? So if you want to come with me on this project of resurrection. Now the question is, what is the surety and why I am so confident in talking about this? Okay. So let me tell you first thing. I am legendary freelancer of Pakistan. And through me there have been so many signs of the resurrection by the command of Allah and I was able to revive the dead so many times. And it happens only by the command of Allah, not just my will. If I will to revive a dead, it will never happen if Allah does not will. But if Allah will, the dead will come back to life. On the basis of my results, on the basis of my connections, on the basis of what my Allah is, and on the basis of what I am doing in this world in the 21st century as a Muslim man of Islam. This is my project. Yes, this is my project with Allah. And without his permission and without his support, I cannot revive any dead child. So if Elon Musk of America can do a lot of wonders in physical technologies, then why cannot Zishan Arshad of Pakistan do the wonders in spiritual technologies? Obviously, I can. And I have done a lot of miracles with the help of Allah. This is the one way through which you can help the dead children of Israel, of Gaza, the innocent children of Gaza. But if you are comfortable looking their dead bodies, if you don't want them to come back to life, you can ignore my message. No compulsion. Just an offer, just an idea, just a project. The resurrection. Project Resurrection with Allah. Right? Go to my website, Legendary Freelancer. Look at who I am, what I have done, and how I have diffused, refuted, defeated, and challenged all the non-Muslims of the world on the truth of Islam. Allahu Akbar.